Hey, what's up guys? My name is Clayton J. We're back with another YouTube video. Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? So today's video, I'm actually gonna take a 23andMe DNA test. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited. I was born from Bistria, Romania. Like, I'm adopted. And so I'm kind of excited to take this. I've always wanted to take a DNA test, but then I just never have for some reason. And I also heard it's bad to give people your DNA. I don't know. I mean, I can see it, but like at the end of the day, it's like, I don't know. Being adopted, it does suck that like I know nothing about my background of who I am and stuff. So I hope this maybe helps me out a little bit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm pretty excited. I bought the DNA and the health, so I should get like a health results back too. So I'm pretty excited for that. I paid probably like $200 to $300, so it's a lot of money. But I do really want to know about my background a little bit, about my history of I don't know, whatever it gives me. I'm pretty excited. So let's see. All right, so all right. Let's reopen it. Let's make it look a little more cooler when I open it. All right, you ready, guys? Here it is. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, so it comes with this. And it pretty much just says how to do it. Right, here it is. No. This is it. No. 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 All right, this already started kind of bad. Ew. What the fuck is that? What is that? What the fuck is that? Is that just supposed to stay there, or is that like mouthwash that I need to use? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm so confused. I probably should read it because I actually just broke. Okay, well, I'm dumb. So mine might not come back right. I'm gonna dump this in here. All right, now I'm gonna. I don't think this is supposed to be that hard. I'm really making this difficult for some reason. I don't know, is that on? No, it looks crooked. Why is everything gotta be difficult for me? I paid like $300, I better not screw up. Hope it's sealed. All right, so now I'm just gonna spit up to this line. Here we go. All right. Boom. That's it. Hopefully I did it right, because here it is. This is it. And I put it in this. This. Boom. So this is it. Got it right here. I'm gonna actually read the rest because I don't want to fail. So where do I do after that? So this, that, fill up the line, close that. So I think I just put this in here, like this, and I'm gonna ship it off. Let me make sure it's in there. Okay, I'm that kind of person. I gotta double, triple check. Okay, it's in there. All right, so I'll check back with you in like a month probably when I get my results back. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys. So I'm back. It's probably like a month later. I got my results from 23andMe. So let's open up and see what my results are on what my genetics, right? Is that the right word? Genetics is? So yeah. All right, so European, I'm 78% European, which, I mean, that's pretty obvious. I was born in Europe, so, you know, I'm Romanian. So I was expecting that, you know. I'm 10% Western Asian and North African, 8% Central South Asian. I'm not really that surprised with my results. Yeah, so pretty much I'm European, which, I mean, I've always known, I guess. The results are cool. I have some like relatives, but it's only like third, like I have a lot that I can see, and it's all like third cousins, and like it's not like my sisters, my brothers, my mom, my dad. It's all like third cousins and stuff. But maybe I should hit them up or something. That'd be pretty cool. Hit them up, see what's up. Yeah. But I don't know. It was cool to take it. Because now I know what I am. Mostly being adopted. It's pretty cool to like see a little bit more about me, you know, because that's my biggest thing is like being adopted. I do feel like I don't know myself a little bit because it's like, who's my parents? Like, what am I? Like how, you know, just stuff like that. Because every time I go to the doctors, they're always like, hey, does heart disease run in your family? Does cancer run in your, like, you know, like those kind of questions. And I'm like, I don't know, I'm adopted, you know, like, I don't know. Then I keep always thinking, I'm like, oh my God, I'm adopted, you know, like, oh, I don't know who I am. I don't know. So it's pretty cool to know a little bit more about me and see a little bit about my genetics and stuff. I'm really happy that, like, I watch like, Topper wants in. Let me get Topper. I don't think I've seen him in a bit. All right, Toppy's here too. Yeah, Topper's here. Look how big he is. He's a big boy. No, he's still very small. I think I got like a teacup size. He's supposed to be a miniature Australian Shepherd, but I think he's more like a teacup. Because you're a baby, but he is only 4 or 5 months, so. Yeah, forget what I was talking about. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, watch some other of my videos if you want to. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.